Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice quickly. First, rinse 1 cup of rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes extra starch for fluffier grains. Next, combine 2 cups of water with your rinsed rice in a pot. Add a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil to prevent sticking and enhance flavor. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over high heat. Once your pot reaches a rolling boil, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting. Cover the pot tightly with a lid to trap all the steam inside. Let the rice simmer undisturbed for exactly 12 minutes. It's crucial not to lift the lid or stir the rice during this time, as it disrupts the cooking process and steam retention. This gentle simmer ensures even cooking. After 12 minutes, remove the pot from the heat source but keep the lid on. Let the rice rest, still covered, for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period allows the remaining steam to fully absorb, resulting in perfectly tender grains. Finally, gently fluff the rice with a fork to separate the grains before serving. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, quick rice. For an even quicker method, consider using a pressure cooker, which can significantly cut down cooking time. You can also enhance the flavor by substituting water with chicken or vegetable broth. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different rice types. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.